Hello, and welcome back to another Edunendo video. My name is Teacher Andrew, and today we'll be learning about the kitchen. We are going to cover essential words and phrases, sentence creation, a quiz to practice, and a bonus grammar tip. Stay tuned till the end and make sure to bring out your pen and paper to write down as many notes as possible. Words to learn. I'm going to say them, pause the video, and then try to say them independently. Spoon, fork, knife, plate, cup, fridge, pot, pan, bowl, stove, glass, sink, table, chair, dish, microwave, teapot, toaster, chopping board, bottle. Good. Now pause the video and try to say them by yourself. Here's a phrase list you can use, specifically for using items. Number 1, I use a spoon to eat. Number 2, I cut bread with a knife. Number 3, I drink tea from a cup. Number 4, I keep milk in the fridge. Number 5, I wash my hands in the sink. Great job. Now pause the video, rewind, and say the words back to me. Listen very carefully. Number 6, I sit at the table. Number 7, I heat my food in the microwave. Number 8, I make toast in the toaster. Number 9, I chop carrots on the chopping board. Number 10, I cook eggs in a pan. And the final one, number 11, I bake a cake in the oven. Great job. Now here are everyday kitchen actions. I make breakfast in the morning. I drink coffee every day. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I put the plates in the cupboard. I set the table before eating. I open the fridge and take out juice. I boil water in the teapot. I carry a bottle of water to school. I dry the dishes with a towel. Great job. Now we are going to focus on vocabulary buster. What is this? This is a carrot. Very good job. What is this? This is a cucumber. Fantastic. What is this? This is an eggplant, or this is an aubergine. There are 2 words you can use. What is this? This is a mushroom. Great job. What is this? This is a tomato. What is this? This is a cabbage. What is this? This is corn. What is this? This is an avocado. What is this? These are grapes. Now, we use are because there are many grapes on this branch. What is this? This is an onion. You can also say that this is a red onion. What is this? This is broccoli. What is this? This is garlic. What is this? This is a sink. What is this? This is a chopping board or cutting board. Your choice. What is this? This is a fridge or refrigerator. This is a fridge. What is this? This is an oven. What is this? This is a stove. What is this? This is a kettle. What is this? This is a microwave. What is this? This is a countertop. What is this? This is a table. What is this? This is a chair. What is this? This is a dish. What are these? What are these? These are dishes. D-I-S-H-E-S. Dishes. What is this? This is a glass. What is this? This is a teapot. What is this? This is a toaster. What is this? This is an air fryer. Great job, guys. Keep it up. Now we're going to practice. What do you use to eat soup? Yes, a spoon. Where do you cook food? In the kitchen. Fantastic. What keeps food cold? The fridge. Fantastic. Good job. Here's a grammar tip for the day. Simple present sentence. When you write a simple present sentence, you have to have a subject and base verb. I eat. The subject is I, and the base verb is eat. You cook. The subject is you, and the base verb is cook. When the sentence has he, she, it, you must add either an S or ES to the verb. He eats. She cooks. It goes. Now, when to use it? To talk about things when we do it often, or to describe facts or routines. So here are some examples. I cook breakfast every day. She drinks tea in the morning. We wash dishes after dinner. Important spelling tips for he, she, it. Most verbs you add the S, but verbs ending in CH, SH, X, S, O, you add the ES. For example, wash becomes washes. Dish becomes dishes. Now verbs ending in Y, you change the Y to IES, like the word there, study. Study becomes studies. Now this is very simple. For he, she, it, add s. How did you do today? Great job. Thank you for coming. I wish you a fantastic week ahead. Stay awesome.